Today, we're going to talk about money, money, money. Most people, including you, probably want to make some more money this year. So let's talk about how marketing can help you raise your prices. Nobody wants the bad news that prices are going up. And most people don't want to have to share that news either. However, with supply chain issues continuing and costs continuing to increase, the reality is that many tech startup companies can't offer products and services at a low-cost price forever. Your marketing strategy could be key to making those conversations about price increases go just a little bit more easily. So how exactly does marketing magic help with this pricing conversation? Well, at the least, great marketing increases the perceived value of your offering. The simplest way to get through necessary or even desired price adjustments is to consistently and constantly increase the perceived value of your products and services. This is often a little bit easier said than done, but also where marketing can play such a key role. Omnichannel digital marketing makes this a lot simpler, especially when combined with a really strong understanding of the client journey, plus the key features and benefits of your product and services. This is also why it's so important that product marketing and digital marketing work so closely together to develop your marketing strategy. This holistic approach will boost your brand's effectiveness. Valuable content cements your position as an authority within your industry. A key way of increasing that perceived value is to consistently create, publish, and promote content that provides genuine value to your clients or potential leads. Shareable videos and images, product demos, white papers, podcasts, blogs, FAQs, all of this increases visibility and establishes you as the authority in your industry. This may be a little controversial, but I recommend that you avoid mentioning pricing within your marketing materials, except when asked, maybe even pushed a bit. Let's talk about why. One way marketers can avoid tricky discussions around price hikes is to make it clear from the outset that prices are provided on a bespoke basis and subject to change. Of course, once a lead asks, it's important to be completely transparent, but you don't have to just list your price. Frame it and present it in a way that's helpful. Include information about features or benefits or even case studies from satisfied users. This will help frame and help them understand why your price may be higher than the competition. If you have a set pricing structure, be sure to announce any price hikes with a lot of time ahead of them. This gives you the opportunity to address any objections head on and deal with those before it becomes a client churn crisis. Be open about the genuine reason for your price hike and be sure to focus on the benefits that your product or service brings. For example, does it save them time? Does it save the client money? Does it make tasks simpler or remove frustrations and friction? Does it help improve their brand reputation? When you can confidently present your tech offering as the clear winner for fixing client pain points, any price increases tend to be less of an issue, particularly for clients who are genuinely impressed with your services. Raising prices is essential to keeping your business profitable, especially as we're seeing increasing costs of goods as well as supply chain issues. When you have the confidence in your brand and marketing experts on your side, this can make any of those price increase discussions a little bit easier. If you want some help with these types of discussions or any of your marketing issues, book a 15-minute introductory call with one of our experts. We're happy to dive in this with you and figure out if we're a good fit for your business. And if you like this type of content, as always, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.